How to lose weight fast, 3 simple steps, based on science. Let's start the video. Number 1. Cut back on refined carbs. Reducing sugars and starches, or carbs, from your diet can help curb your appetite, lower your insulin levels, and make you lose weight. But the long-term effects of a low-carb diet are not yet known. A reduced-calorie diet could be more sustainable. Number 2. Eat protein, fat, and vegetables. Assemble each meal out of a protein source, healthy fat source, complex carb, and vegetables. Leafy green vegetables are a great way to bulk up a meal with low calories and lots of nutrients. Number 3. Move your body. Resistance training, such as weightlifting, is a great option for losing weight. If that's not possible, cardio workouts are also effective. Choose what's sustainable for you. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel for new updates. Thank you.